Hey guys, welcome to my channel Cubing Zone. My name is Arav and today I will show you how to download and set up CS Timer on laptop और PC. तो CS Timer basically क्या है? जो आप Rubik's Cube सॉल्व करते हो उसका टाइमर रिकॉर्ड करेगा, टाइम रिकॉर्ड करेगा और सारा डाटा अपने पास स्टोर कर रखेगा. दिस टाइमर डजंट वर्क इन एंड्रॉयड. ये एंड्रॉयड में इंस्टॉल नहीं हो सकता जो आप मोबाइल फोन यूज करते हो. तो मैं अभी अपने पीसी पर हूँ और मैं इस पर बताऊंगा कि आप कैसे इंस्टॉल कर सकते हो. तो फर्स्ट ओपन एनी ऑफ योर ब्राउजर. टुडे आई हैव ओपन क्रोम and type here cstimer.net and press enter. So this website will open. It will show you this type of interface. This is open in browser, so we have to install it. For it, we have to go to this plus icon, the install CS timer. Uh, when we will click on it, this interface will come. We will click on install, and then CS timer will suddenly install, and an icon will be created on your desktop icon. This icon is created. Now CS timer is opened. This is a fresh CS timer, means new. When you will open the CS timer for first time, this will show on your screen. To set up this, first go to this gear icon, which is option. I will call this settings. Then here are all the settings for this. I would like to enable use milliseconds because then exact time will show. I would enable this. Then three zeros will show. More detail will be shown to you. If you will disable the show milliseconds, then only two zeros will show. Now let's go on settings, and you can change the time format to minutes and seconds or only seconds. I like only this. It would don't matter if you also select minutes and seconds, because obviously no one would solve the cube in 1 hour and check the timer, so it would doesn't matter. You can also enable auto export per 100 solves. I will select it to never only. Then I would you can zoom the screen. It's 100% max. Then select timer's font. I don't like the digital font, so I would select the normal font, which is much better. Digital font I don't like. Now you can change this design and all, but I want this normally. You can enable the scramble functions. You can add a background image in it back, but I don't want it. If you can add a background image by here manual. You can search an image on Google, then copy its link and paste it here, and then OK. You can also change its opacity from here. For now I will. Then we would go to color. I would don't like to change the color for now. You can also change the color here from here. You can change style to style 3, but I like it like default one. Then I would go on timer. uh, you can if anyone from you have gone to any competition, you would know. From before solving the cube, you get 15 seconds to inspect the scramble. Means you can means if I have got the cube, I would get 15 seconds to check the cube, how the scramble is done and what to do. You can enable it. If you are a new cuber, then disable it to never. And if you are preparing for competition level, you can enable it by always. If also you want to solve a cube blindfolded, but don't want inspection for it, then you can expect blindfold. You won't get the inspection time for blindfold, but you will get 15 seconds for other cubes. So I will disable it for now. Then voice alert. If you enable the inspection, you will get voice alert, means when 8 seconds will be done, you will be reminded that 8 seconds are left. For now, I will show you how it works. I would enable it, and then you can change the voice for it. You can enable, even set it to none. I will set it to male voice only. Then now when I would press space bar, this green screen is coming. When I will release the space bar, this 15 seconds icon is showing. I have released the space bar,
8
and when
seconds.
8 seconds are done, this 8 seconds icon will show you.
12
To
seconds.
start the timer for cube, you will press the timer and the timer will start. You will press the space bar, and when you solve the cube, you will again press the space bar and the timer will stop. This all the time will be recorded here, and when you do around 5 solves, your average also will be shown to you, like I will show you now. This 5 solves, average of 5, this average is showing now for now. You can also change the sessions. For if you want to solve a 2 by 2 Rubik's Cube, you can use a separate session for it. And you can also rename the sessions. Means if I want this session for 3 by 3 cube, you can set this as 3 by 3 uh, 3 by 3 cube, and session 2 as a 2 by 2 cube. So yeah, you can set this all. And now we will go to time this settings again. And if entering in time grid, now if you have any stack mat, you can connect it with your laptop or PC. You can choose stack mat. Then typing, if you want to type the time and record it by other timer, you can type the time. For now I will show you. If I have a timer for now, uh, if I have a timer for now, for example, I have recorded the time as it's imagine it's 40 seconds or 30 seconds. I would type 30 point. If it's 7.8, I would type 7.8. Then I would type the time and press enter after it. It's enter. And the point will automatically come here. Now timer update. You can even change the timer update for seconds. If you can also change the timer update, then I would select it to 0.1 seconds. When I would get a stack mat, I have ordered it already. I would make a separate video for it and also show you how to connect it with CS timer. Scramble. Then this scramble is showing to you the U2, F2. This I have already told you the basic notations in my earlier video and tutorial video of how to solve a Rubik's cube. It will come in the eye icon above at the top right corner of your screen. You can check it by there, clicking there. Now you can check statistics. This all you can change if you want. I don't want to change for now. You can also change this all tools, but I don't want to change it for now. You can check all of it out. So thanks for watching till end. If you please like this video and also subscribe to my channel. And please comment down if you like this video. Thanks.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms storms we chase are leading us, and